paid the family and they killed everyone because of land. Before I bought land,
Minister Kyayogera.
I didn't know what minister is talking about.
By the way,
if you have not yet gotten money,
budget
you are less concerned about the Uganda's budget. If you have never borrowed from the bank, you don't know what it means when the bank is taking.
Munyumirwa amusazeeko obuniikini.
Do you know why you enjoy his cut is thinking?
Bwe batuuka bino bye bifudde mu by'obutale bugakyusa.
If they say this is what is coming from the market, you say change.
What the minister is saying.
Minister kyagamba.
Mulina kati okuddayo mu omwaka mukule kakite ngambira muno olina okuddayo.
Tell your neighbor you need to go back and grow.
Bishop Minani sibo atuwadde ebisumuluzo bisatu ku makya.
Bishop Minani gave us
one of it is knowledge.
Kumanya.
Bw'ofuna okumanya.
If you have knowledge.
Mukitegera kye ngamba?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Kati gwe obugagga bw'omanyi mmotoka.
For you the wealth you know is car.
Tomanyi nti esobola n'okupaakinga wali trailer n'egiyingirira n'egyusanga.
You don't know that the trailer can take it off.
Naye teri bugagga businga.
There is no wealth more than land.
Lwaki olutalo olusinga obukulu lwa ttaka era bwe babanga bakuwa obugagga tosabanga mmotoka osabanga ki?
If they ask you for what you want,
olwaki temubitegeera nze si honorable nina amataka kuno.
I have land.
Ne bw'oba oyingira ndejje ninako ki? Amataka.
As you enter Ndejje, I have land.
Ne muno mu Ndejje ninamu ettaka.
Even this Ndejje, I have land.
Toyinza kitegeera juzi omusumba yampa ploti y'ettaka e Gayaza.
Recently the pastor gave me a plot of land in Gayaza.
Ettaka eryo yaligula obukadde 80 million.
He bought that land 80 million.
N'alimpa.
And he gave it to me.
Naye of course abaana bange bo baalabira ddala nga just balaba mpaanyi wali.
My children just saw.
So nalina obatuuza mbabuulire ekivudde mu ki.
I had to sit them down and tell them.
Obugagga bw'omuntu babubalira ku ttaka.
They measure
mu empowerment conference.
Wazze mu conference ya kunywesa.
Ngenza okulaba ng'eriyo n'abasumagira.
I even saw those things.
Singa babagambye nti President Museveni abawaddemu obw'ebinzaali ow'obwereere. Enduulu yandibaddewo munene.
The president.
Buli muntu yenna najjanga alumba omukulembeze
I've not seen any letter in the newspaper supporting the president.
Sinnalabayo kawandiika ng'awagira
The president is standing alone defending his people.
Omukulembeze ayimiridde yekka nga alwanirira abo abanaku.
And yet others are saying this is interfering in the judiciary.
Ate abo bagamba ayingirira ab'amateeka.
But police bond given by police is not judiciary.
Naye bondi ya polisi si ya judiciary.
Police is a department in the Ministry of Internal Affairs.
Polisi department wansi wa Ministry ya Internal Affairs.
So the president can direct it.
President ayina obuyinza okugiragira okubaako kyekola.
Then if they feel they can't hold this man for 48 hours, then let them, and after 48 hours, take him to the judiciary.
Nga wayise essaawa 48 bamutwale mu kooti.
Let the worry 2022 that even if a court order has come out evicting a Kibanja holder, that court order cannot work unless this has sat on it, district executive committee and the Ministry of Lands. It cannot be enforced.
Emyaka ebiri President yawanika n'agamba nti ne bwebanga kooti yeeragidde kase ekiragiro ekyo kibanga kigobowa ekibanja nga tekuliko RDC n'abakulembeze abalala bonna ebyo byonna biba byapa.
Yes, every day people are being evicted.
Ate nga bulijjo abantu bagobwa.
Every time you see me evicting, returning people to their land.
Buli ssaawa olaba abantu nga bagoba nga tubaza ku ttaka lyabwe.
You see us arresting people, yet the police returned, just released them on bond.
Ate bulijjo olaba nga tukwata abantu ate nga abapoliisi batunula.
2 weeks ago,
wiiki bbiri emabega,
the president announced that from now no police station, no policeman should give a bond to release a suspect who is evicting Kibanja holders.
President yalagira ati teriyo alina kuwa n'agamba nti Buganda Land Board Limited emenya amateeka okubeerawo.
But everybody kept quiet.
Buli muntu yenna n'asirika.
Ministry of Lands continues to transact. I sit there and I hear they are transacting, they are transferring, they are doing all kinds of things.
Ministry of Lands mbeerayo nga balwanyise.
They are all experts, registrars and lawyers, cartographers. They are all doing illegal transactions. They are watching. They are paying salaries. They are supposed to be technocrats to advise government. They are watching illegalities going place.
Bonna balabanga ebintu ebimenya amateeka bigenda mu maaso.
Hypocrisy.
Obunnanfuusi
Sinks this country. They don't know that it took people died.
Tebamanyi nga kyatwalira abantu okufa.
This freedom we're enjoying, it was not given on a silver platter.
Lino eddembe lyetweyagaliramu teryajja
There was no Niger University here. It was all a battleground.
Naye teyaliwo waneeno lyali ddwaniro.
Hey, my father died in a war.
Kitange yafiira mu lutalo.
Hey, is the death of all those people in vain?
Abo bonna bafiira bwereere.
Because land is just being transferred and given away.
Kubanga ettaka omuntu akyusa bukyusa n'aligaba.
You people, you want to go to heaven, but yet you are still living on earth.
Mwagala genda mu ggulu ng'ate mukyali ku nsi kuno.
And you don't want me to talk about it?
Temwagala kyogereko kino.
That's why President Museveni, look here, President Museveni issued three directives.
President Museveni
The first directive is that the owner of a Kibanja should not kwegula because the Kibanja is his.
Nti oyo ow'ekibanja talina kwegula kubanga ekibanja kikye.
The minor owner should not come and say you have the title owner because the land belongs to all of us. It's who say that one is the minor owner.
Omuzungu ye yagamba nti oyo yalina ekyapa.
But President Museveni has issued a directive saying nobody should come and say you have 8 acres of Kibanja, I'm giving you a title for 1 acre and surrender the 7. That is stuffed.
Teri yalina kujja n'agamba nti olina acres munane ez'ekibanja nkuwaddeko emu kakati ziri endala nzitwala kankuwe.
Don't come and tell Kibanja owner kwegula. You can't kwegula what is yours. There is a constitutional guarantee for Kibanja.
Tosobola kwegula ku kikyo.
The president has pronounced himself in the document of 22nd February 2013, about 10 years ago, and said if you buy land and the Kibanja holder is not willing to sell to you, you have bought a yard.
President yakyogera